The key on this Ford F-150 has started breaking apart here, and it's the only key for the truck. I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to make a spare key without leaving your driveway. I'm demonstrating on a 2014 Ford F-150. This very same procedure works on F-150s from 2004 to 2014, and F-250 and larger also work the same on very similar years. Now we have do-it-yourself programming solutions for Ford trucks all the way back to 1998 and up to 2000. Starting in 2001, Ford took away the ability for a do-it-yourself solution that Tom's Key Company provides. We're working to find solutions for Ford vehicles 2021 and newer. So if you have a newer vehicle, check our website because we may have a solution available now. And before we start programming, I'm going to start a phone call to the Ford dealership to find out what they're going to charge to make a spare key and how long it takes sitting in their waiting room. Stick around and I'll show you just how simple the programming process is. It's important to know that you need at least one working key that starts the engine. In this case, it's got a tile key finder, pairs to my smartphone, so you can always find your keys. Then you need your spare key you're going to program. You can program up to 4 keys to these Ford vehicles. There's 2 from the factory, so that leaves up to 2 more that could be paired to the vehicle. My original key here is falling apart. It's on its last legs. It's okay if the buttons don't work, just as long as the key lets you start the engine so you can drive it. We take our pairing tool and start by getting the app downloaded. With the app downloaded, we can fire it up and get started. Okay, first we need to plug this into the OBD2 port. That's not hard to do. Come down near the gas and brake pedal. Look around until you find the programming port and plug in the programmer. I recommend picking up this optional extension cable. It'll make your life just a little bit easier. Plug in the programming tool and we'll see that it's got power. Okay, let's hit continue. Now we got to get the Bluetooth connection made. Should see a serial number here. There, connection has been made. Go ahead and hit continue. Please wait, and we're ready to begin programming. Now, important note, there is technical support available Monday through Friday, regular business hours, in case you run into problems. Let's begin programming. Calibrating to our vehicle, please wait. We need to scan the VIN. All right, this should pull up our 2014 Ford F-150. Perfect. Continue. And what kind of key is it? This is important. Turnkey or a remote? We're doing a turnkey. So here we go. Some important notes. Stay in the app during program. Don't exit it. Don't go surfing the internet, checking YouTube, Instagram. Just focus on programming. Make sure you've got all your working keys with you. In this case, we've got 1 working key. And we got 1 new key to program. Make sure you've got a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. It should take about 15 minutes. If it starts taking longer, you can always unplug the programmer and start over. But there's that technical support available to give you a hand if you run into issues. Okay, let's start programming. Here we go. Initiating on the vehicle. And it's beginning to count up. A few important considerations. Make sure you're not doing anything to drain the vehicle battery. If your vehicle battery starts running low during the programming process, it'll seem like your car's not working, but in reality, you just have to jump start it. Now, make sure HVAC is turned off, the headlights are off, you don't have the radio going. Anything that drains the vehicle battery should be turned off so you can focus on programming. Preparing for programming, getting ready. Okay, insert the new key into the ignition. And turn it 2 clicks to the on position. 1, 2. Okay. Ready to continue. Communicating. Please wait. Configuring. Current number of keys are 3. Configuring the system. All right. Security wait time. Please wait for 10 minutes. All right. We got a few minutes. You might see some lights flash, beeps happen, things like that. Okay. The app notices things are taking a little bit of time. That's okay. We can just continue. We know we've got this 10-minute wait. Okay, well, this is underway. Let's go back and check on that phone call to see what the dealership wanted to charge to make a spare key. Put me on hold. Still waiting for the Ford dealership. Let's jump back in and keep programming the spare key. All right, we're approaching the end of this 10-minute wait time. When we reach it, we may see lights on the dashboard flash, door locks might cycle, get some indication from the vehicle. Okay, we're almost at the 10-minute point. Should hear the door lock cycle, maybe the lights on the dashboard flash. There we go. Door lock cycled, programming completed. Exit to the main menu and attempt to start the engine with your new key. Okay, here's your new key. Let's try it out. Boom! Look at that. Engine fires right up. Let's test the original key. Excellent. It still works. Okay, programming successfully completed. Now remember, the remote buttons won't work yet. They need to be programmed separately. All right, so now we got to jump back in and go through the process for programming the remote buttons. We got to scan the VIN again, add our 2014 F150. Now we're going to do the remote. Okay, this is not for vehicles with push button start, so that's really important. We have a turnkey ignition, so this is just for programming the remote buttons. Ford's a little funny that way. They make the remote buttons programmed separately from the key. Okay. Same important instructions. Okay, ignition's turned off. No key in it. Yes. Okay, all available remotes will need to be reprogrammed during this procedure. Okay, be sure we've got them all. All right, we've got the original key and the new one. Okay, here we go. Open the driver's door only. All other doors must be closed. Okay, driver door is open. Click the unlock button. All right, all doors are unlocked. Okay, continue. All right, insert a key into the ignition and quickly turn the ignition from off to on 8 times in 10 seconds. Don't remove the key. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We heard the door lock cycle. Continue. Press the lock button on the remote to be programmed. Okay, here's the new one. Click the lock button. Press the lock button on each additional remote. Okay, here's my original one. All right. Okay, let's click continue. Turn the ignition off, remove the key. Lock cycled to indicate the vehicle has exited remote programming. Perfect. Okay, test functions. I think we're done. Let's unplug this and test out the remotes. Let's check the remotes. Here's the original one. It still works, of course, and the new one. Beautiful. Isn't that amazing? Be sure you include our key by photo key cutting service with your order. All you're going to do is snap 3 photos of the key. Go ahead and turn the key in between each photo. Hold your phone directly above the key blade so it's nice and flat. You're going to upload those 3 photos to our website. That's when the magic of our key by photo key cutting technology takes place. We will cut your new key so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. It is absolutely amazing. Can you believe how easy that was to make a spare key without leaving home? It is absolutely amazing how much time and money you can save by skipping the car dealership. Let's go back and check on that phone call to see what the dealership wanted to charge to make a spare key. Parts. Yeah, I'm trying to find out what it costs to get a spare key made on a 2014 F-150. Mine's starting to break apart.
Okay, so that's got the style with the remote control attached straight, all the buttons right on the head of it?
Yep.
Okay. Well, yeah, the key itself is $193.
Okay.
And then on top of that is programming it, so if you'd like, I can shoot you out the service and they could give you that information.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Right, well, hold on 1 second. Service.
Yeah, I'm wondering what it costs to get a spare key programmed for 2014 F-150.
Just the programming is $190.
$190? How long does that take?
Usually like an hour-ish.
About an hour. $193 for the part, $190 for them to program it, and an hour of my life sitting in their waiting room. It's almost $400 at the Ford dealership to get a spare key made. That's crazy. You can save hundreds of dollars by skipping the dealership and getting your spare key with this easy do-it-yourself programming kit from Tom's Key Company. Come to tomskey.com and order the ultimate key bundle today. Everything you need to make your spare key is going to ship right in the mail, including cutting of the key blade at our facility with the key by photo key cutting technology. It's absolutely amazing, and it'll take you about 10 minutes to make your spare right at home. Now you might wonder, what if you run into problems? Well, no worries. We have a full technical support team available regular business hours, Monday through Friday, if you run into problems while you're trying to program your spare key. So you can reach out to them. And if it's after hours, you can reach out through our website, help.tomskey.com, through chat and email, and someone will get back to you as soon as they're available. If you're one of the unlucky people that runs into problems and the customer support team is unable to resolve the problems so you get your spare key working, no problems. We have a full money back guarantee. Just ship everything back and we'll send you a full refund. It's that easy. Check out our reviews on Google Maps. We have over 1,500 happy reviews currently with a 4.7 star rating. We love taking care of our customers, and we want to take care of you and help you save hundreds of dollars by skipping the Ford dealership to make a spare key for your vehicle. Come to tomskey.com and place your order today.